road up to this waterfall is quite interesting. It's a T-access road, so it's quite narrow. You don't need a four-wheel drive. Lots of cars come up here, but it does have these sharp hairpins like we're going through here, and it is quite narrow. So if you encounter another car, it can be quite interesting, especially if you're driving something a little wider than a blue truck. Oh, there's a kitty cat. But yeah, it's not too bad. You can bring your car up here. It's just a little hairy if you meet another vehicle on the road.
Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, tested by the motion, loving this devotion. Live it up, live it up, live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly, just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make the highlights. I love the way we vibe, you're like a centerfold.
That's incredible. It's insane. Don't swim here unless you're really a strong swimmer, because there's a whirlpool effect in there. But I don't think it's that dangerous because you just get pushed over here to the rocks and it's not so swift. But it's really deep, 5 to 8 meters deep down there. Crystal blue water. There's fish down there. It really is incredible.
The deep blue water is very clean and it was very deep.
Did you see the fish?
Uh-huh. And Daddy let us to see the fish.
All I want is satisfaction. Make a move, baby, you got nothing to lose. Give me that good reaction.
Yeah, so the nice thing about this area is you can go to the blue waterfall. I'll put the name below. I can't say it correctly. And then you can go on to Rayon Hot Spring, and it's just a few minutes drive away. You can chill in the hot spring. You can camp out here. There's some people over there camping.
And then we did camp here one time, but not today.
Yeah, we went camping here before. So check out the video. I'll put the link in the pop-up over there. And normally this is quite clear. This is beautiful clear water, but we had a typhoon hit last week, and so all the water is quite dirty, quite brown from the silt that came down from the mountains. And actually, I can feel the cold water seeping through here. Yeah, but that's nice that it mixes because the water coming from here can be quite hot.
Yeah, someone made it. So we are making a dam.
Yeah, build up a dam so we can keep the water in, right?
Yeah.